When deploying AI and machine learning for manufacturing or industry, trial and error is par for the course. You're going to launch a number of projects and initiatives. Some of them won't pan out, and that's okay, provided that you are failing for the right reasons and that you're walking away from those projects truly having tested whether or not AI and ML is a good fit for your business and industry. However, if those projects are too broad or overly complex, you won't be failing because the technology isn't right. You'll be failing because you tested it wrong. And if you get enough of those experiences in a row, your company may walk away with the conclusion that the tech isn't right for their business. They'll push pause on those investments and put projects on hold. This might be a huge mistake, one that you won't realize until 2 years down the line when you see someone else in your space rolling out new machine learning infused functionalities and services. That's not a place where you want to be. So here's a tip. Early on in those first AI projects, keep the machine learning techniques simple. I see a lot of companies trying to do complex things right out of the gate. And it can be very tempting to go after the sexy stuff like deep learning and neural nets. But in my mind, that's like trying to get into running by starting with a marathon. It's just not going to end well. You're making your task 10 times harder by doing that. And in some ways, you'll be testing the wrong thing. You see, what makes a successful implementation of AI goes well beyond the actual algorithms you are using. The most challenging parts typically have to do with data collection, data processing, system and business understanding. These are the areas that you really want to be vetting out with those early projects. So here's what you can do with this information. The next time you kick off a new AI or machine learning project, get your data science people and AI experts in the room and have them draw a diagram for you. On the y-axis, you're going to want to show the effectiveness. And on the x-axis, you'll be showing the complexity. For your initial projects, you'll want to aim for a minimally effective, but also minimally complex set of algorithms. These may involve threshold rules or linear techniques, for example. You'll then take these initial set of algorithms and complete a full end-to-end solution from the data collection, data processing, feature engineering, modeling, and deployment end to end. Once you've successfully done that, then you'll do an assessment and see where your gaps are and plug those before you move on again and repeat the process. You can then get a little bit more complex with your algorithms and your techniques and complete the cycle again. If you follow this tip, you'll be more likely to complete your AI projects and less likely to fail for the wrong reasons, thereby helping you build up that awesome AI competitive advantage that you're after. Alright, let me know what you think of the video. Have you seen this play out at your company? Do you have any questions? Do you have any comments? Feel free to drop them below. Thank you, and we'll talk again very soon. Have yourself a great week.